Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet the asymmetrical top. In this video, I'll show you how to work the front part. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet asymmetrical top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting the front part with the front shoulder piece. For that, work the pattern regular way using 12 repeats. Attach the yarn to the initial foundation chain into the very first chain and then chain 3 to pick up the height. Double crochet 1 into the following chain. Chain 2, skip 2, single crochet 1, and so on. At the end of the first row, chain 2, skip 2 and work double crochet 2, and 2 returning chains. Then work the pattern regular way. For the second front shoulder piece, use also 12 repeats. Attach the yarn into the 68th chain before the end of the row and chain 3 to pick up the height, then work the 4 rows of the pattern. For the first front shoulder piece, work 5 rows and at the end of the 5th row, chain 47 or multiples of 5 chains plus 7 additional chains. For the second front shoulder piece, work 4 rows and then join shoulder pieces together and continue working the 5th row. Join and now work 2 double crochets. and continue the row as usual. Chain 2, skip 2 single crochet 1 and so on. Begin your row 6 as your second row, and the repeat for the row is chain 5, skip 5 single crochet 2 into 1 chain, and above these chains work chain 5, skip 4 instead of 5, skip 4 and work single crochet 2 into 1 chain. And then just repeat again chain 5, skip 4, single crochet 2 into 1 chain. Repeat the pattern chain 5, skip 4, single crochet 2 into 1 chain 10 times, and then work the pattern as usual, chain 5, skip 5, single crochet 2 into 1 chain. At the end of the row 6, work 3 returning chains, and then work the 4 rows of the pattern as usual. So work your row 7 as your third row, row 8 as your fourth row, and so on. And then use a different yarn color and a smaller size crochet hook to work 3 more repeats. After that, begin to decrease chains. For that, work your last row as your second row to the last 2 repeats of the row, and then instead of working single crochet 2, work just 1 single crochet. And triple crochet into the following middle chain. Then turn. Work slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Chain 1, skip 1, slip stitch 2. And then chain 4. single crochet 1 under chains, and do that 2 more times. Again, chain 4, then work the third row as usual. Chain 2, double crochet decrease, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet 2 into 1 chain, just continue your row as your third row. Again, decrease chains from one side only. Begin your following row as your fourth row, and when you crochet to your last 5 double crochet decreases of the previous row, work chain 4, and then single crochet 1 above double crochet decrease of the previous row. So repeat that 3 more times. And then work triple crochet 1 above double crochet decrease. And turn. Begin your following row as you started your third row. Slip stitch into the second chain. Chain 1, skip 1, 2 slip stitches. And then chain 4. Single crochet 1 under chains. And repeat that 2 more times. Then work the pattern as usual, chain 5. Single crochet 1 above double crochet decrease of the previous row, and so on. Again, finish and begin rows on this side as usual, and on this side, decrease side, when you crochet to your last 2 double crochet decreases, work just 1 single crochet into the middle chain and triple crochet into the following middle chain. Then repeat the pattern starting from the 51st row. Then begin the row with one arch and triple crochet one into the middle chain, and then begin the row again as usual. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, now just chain 2 and skip 2 single crochet 2. To finish up the project, double crochet around all your edges. For each tie, make a foundation chain of about 152 chains and then just work slip stitches back. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.